goofed up here. I made this too small. So the tenon is too small, so I'm going to make a mortise a little bit into that. So obviously I'm losing 1/4 inch of depth out of this thing. Well, there it is. I got that on. No problem. Should work out nice. So I've got a nice little mortise. I drilled a 2.1 inch hole and then tapered it for my mortise. For the dovetail shape. So I'm going to leave this here. This here. This is from my bandsaw. And this is from the chainsaw. And there's a knot here and here. I'm not positive they aren't the same knot. I'll see when I do more work on the inside. So because this is round here and it's not here, I got like 3/4 of an inch or so. Yeah, about 3/4 of an inch depth here. That means the wall thickness everywhere has to be that much thicker, because it's to make a dish in here that doesn't break out. So overall, it should be pretty good. I think I've finished doing what I'm going to do on the outside, except sand, obviously. So that's it. I'm not going to turn it around yet. I'll do some sanding first. Okay, I sanded the outside up to 320. I've got a little more depth I've got to put in here. And overall it's pretty good. It's got the chainsaw side, the bandsaw side, and the natural edge side. And so this is like 1/4 inch thick, so I can't go out any farther in here. This has to stay about where it is, but I can go deeper on at least 3/4 of an inch between here and the bottom of the mortise. So we should see that. Okay, here's one more rosewood bowl. This one is made from the scraps of making the other bowls, and you can see I've got chainsaw marks where this was cut off.
And then as it goes around, you'll see bandsaw marks where the arc was made for a big bowl that was over here to the left. And then just different knots and such. Here's the center of the board going this way, coming from here. So it was a nice little piece. It's about 8.5 inches across. I forgot the right exact number, but about 8.5 inches across and 3¼ inches tall. There's a nice knot right there, very dark heartwood. Obviously, you can see the new wood color and the heartwood color. The thing is turned out, again, rosewood is hard to beat. It's just it turns out so nice. But in any case, I think that's about it. Okay.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.